Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to EPSEC's online support program. Today we are going to start our session of Social Studies for Class 5, Week 15. For this session, you are required Know Your World, Book 5, page number 18 to 21, Unit 1, topic Natural Disaster, resource required, textbook, pictures, internet. Summary of this lesson is understanding of natural events and consider the dangers that natural hazard and natural disaster pose to human. Today's thought of the day is one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. It means when you think positive or good, your whole day will be good for you. First of all, we will recap our previous knowledge, how human activities affect the climate. Human activities are responsible for causing the greenhouse effect. Identify ways to reduce adverse effect of human activities on climate, factors that causes climate changes. Now, objectives of this topic are examine the causes and occurrence of natural disaster, why and how an earthquake, cyclone, flood, and other natural disasters occurs. List down safety measures that should be taken during disaster. What is a natural disaster? The effect of a natural hazard which leads to financial, environmental, or human losses. Natural events that kill people or damage property or the environment is a natural disaster. Students, open your book, page number 18, and read carefully. It tells us that Earth is in a constant state of change. Natural events that damage property or kill people. In this page, second paragraph tells us about earthquake, and many of you experienced this. In 2005, earthquake occurred in northern area of Pakistan and destroyed lot of things and lives of people. Children, read the page carefully to understand this. Look at this slide. These are the pictures of disaster earthquake. It is the after effect of the earthquake. What is an earthquake? It is the result of a sudden release of stored energy in the earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are accordingly measured with the seismometer. It is the shifting of tectonic plates causes earthquakes under the earth's crust, and it is responsible for mass destruction. To prevent from this, sit under the table or any hard roof until shaking stops. Stay away from glass, window, outside door wall, and anything could fall. Stay inside until the shaking stops and it's safe to go outside. Do not use the elevator. Open page number 19 and look at part of book and read it about cyclone. It is the huge storm characterized by the revolving wind. I will explain you this in next slide. Here are some pictures of cyclone. By this you understand what is cyclone. A large scale system of winds that spiral in towards a region of low atmospheric pressure. A cyclone rotational direction is opposite to that of an anticyclone. In the northern hemisphere, a cyclone rotates counterwise, in the southern hemisphere clockwise. For prevention of cyclone, be alert to changing weather condition. Listen to radio, TV, or the latest information. If you see approaching storm or any danger sign, take shelter immediately. Read page 18 and 19 for flood. Flooding occurs when the rate of rainfall exceeds the rate of absorption of water into the ground. When there is more water in a river than it can hold, it breaks its banks and it flows over the adjoining area. These are few pictures about flood. Look at these pictures. Flooding is an overflowing of water onto land that is normally dry. Floods can happen during heavy rains, when ocean's waves comes on shores, when snow melts quickly, or when dams break. For prevention, do not attempt to walk, swim, or drive through the floods. Move to higher ground, stay away from the electric wires, keep an eye out for evacuation alerts. Now open page number 20 to know about avalanches. Maybe this is a new word for you. It is the sliding of massive slabs of snow down mountain slope. Read paragraph carefully to understand. I will explain you this in next slide. Move on to this slide and observe pictures. By this you understand what is avalanche. An avalanche is a mass of snow that slides rapidly down an inclined slope, such as a mountainside or the roof of a building. Avalanches are triggered by either natural forces, example precipitation, wind, snow, rapid temperature changes, or human activity. For safety, stay informed from weather condition to avoid unnecessary risk. Go to the safest place. Open page number 19 and read paragraph about landslide. Many of you experienced landslides in northern areas. When rocks roll down steep slope, these causes the biggest dangers to life and property. These are the pictures of landslides. It is the movement of rocks, earth or debris down a sloped sections of land. Landslides are caused by rain, earthquakes, volcanoes or other factors that make the slope unstable. These are the various direction methods of preventing landslide. Example, installing structures such as piles and retaining walls, diverting debris pathways. Landslide rescue service should be called in immediately. Let's recap the topic. What is natural disaster? Natural disaster and effect of natural disaster phenomenon are very severe and causes considerable damage. What severity measure should be taken during different disaster? Example, flood, cyclone, landslides, avalanches, etc. My dear students, now it's time for assignment. Read text carefully and learn difficult words. Do question number 1, 2 and 3 in your own words in notebook nicely. Do research work going further, page 21 and make a report. Students, work hard. You can do it. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.